everybody's interested in this match. Even যখন আমরা ইন্ডিয়া যাব, Indian journalists, I think there will be the double amount of journalists. Uh, so I think it's normal. Even if we played Pakistan, it will be the same because there's this rivalry between Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, chop somewhere. And for this match, it's going to be a high voltage match. And I think it's going to be the biggest clash in this area of the region. So এইসব জিনিস is normal. Of course, আপনারা সবাই একটু খুশি আজকে কারণ হামজা আসছে। So এটা আমার জন্য ভালো লাগতেছে, অন্য প্লেয়ারের জন্য ভালো লাগতেছে। But we have to focus on the match. Our focus is not media, it's not what you guys are doing. We have to focus on ourselves and we have to focus on winning on the 25th. That's our goal.